Hello and welcome to another tutorial for Climatic. In this tutorial I'll be going through the second part of building an AI module. So now that we've already created an AI module, you would have seen that in another video, we would now want to load a module. Okay, so I would have created a module out of this historical data of abalone information on the number of rings. Okay, so with all this information I would be able to predict like the number of rings that the abalone has. Okay, so let me just locate the file to the module. Okay, so this is the one we previously created a module. Okay, so I'll just paste the file location. Okay, once I have that, I'll press add, and what I want to do next is to so you can see that all the variables that would be in the module are already loaded. So what I want to do is that I want to assign new variables and map them to the existing variables in the module. Okay, so I will do it like this. I will just go over the Excel. Okay, and then I would do the normal copy. Okay, so let me try this. Control C, and then assign variable. Okay, clipboard text. Alright, I'm sure that you're quite familiar with this by now. So this one would be age. Okay, but to make things clearer, we want to make it vary a bit from the variables that are already in the module. So let's call it H1. Okay, so let me just fast forward, assuming that I press right and then I do so for the next cell and so forth until I reach this one over here. Okay, so let me fast forward like this. Okay, I have all of this. Okay, so now what I want to do is to do the mapping. Okay, the mapping, like just now I show you the variable input, right? So let me just show you how I map this age. Okay, yeah, that's not quite the correct that's not quite the correct name, but it would work. Okay, so anyway, moving on to the next step, variable input. Now we can map this variable to the age variable in the module. Okay, so I'll press add. After that, I can go on to the last step, which is the predict model, the predict model function. So once again, I'll paste the link. Okay, and then you will notice over here, I will have the need for two more variables. We can call it result and probability. Okay, so yeah, I think you get the gist of it. You just have to make sure you assign two more variables beforehand. Okay, so your script should look a little something like this. Okay, so I assign these two variables. You can see the results and probability, and then my predict model would choose results and of course probability. Alright, after that I can type the variable. Okay, I can type the results and then I press right, type the probability. Okay, so let's see how the script runs. Okay, so we'll just look at some existing data. Okay, let me delete this. Remember that this number is 9. Okay, so let's see if we will get the result of 9. Okay, yes, it looks through every data. Okay, fantastic, we got the result that we want. So let's try that for a dummy data. Okay, these are all quite random data that I just input. So yes, head over to Excel. Okay, what would the result be? Oh, okay, 7 rings. Okay, fair enough, the result is not too outrageous, so yes, that seems to be correct. So that is how you are able to run the AI module. Okay, so I hope you learned something today. I'm sure you did. Yes, Thanks for watching.